video we are going to see how to set up scene builder. For that we have to first download it. So I'm downloading scene builder from this website. I will give the link in the description box, and after coming here we can see like this type of page, and we have to download it from here. So download scene builder. Scene builder 16.0.0 was released on March 26, 2021. You can use this scene builder version together with Java 11 and higher. Mine was Java 15.0.2, so I can use this. So I'm going to install it from here, scene builder, and Windows installer because I'm using Windows. If you're from Mac or Linux, you can use this all, and then download it here. It will take some time to download. Then after downloading it, when you will open it, it will show you to run it. You will run it and then just select that you accept its terms and agreements, and then just go for to select its path, then just finish it. That's it, nothing else to do. Then JavaFX Gluon. Okay, so the page's name is Gluon, and I will give its link also in the description box. Now I am going to download it from here. Latest release JavaFX Windows into 64 SDK. So the version is 16 and the platform is Windows into 64. Then download it from here. That's it. You don't have to do any other thing. You just go to your, just from there extract your file from here, and after extracting it you just copy and paste it to your program there where you have already put your Java SDK, so that you can find it very quickly. That's it, nothing else. I think this is very helpful for you, so if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and show me your support and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.